Hey everyone, welcome to SEMA 2021 to the John Bean Snap-on booth. I'm going to give you a little demonstration on our new T7800 tire changer. So let's get started. So first of all, we have a wheel lift over here to the left. Raise the tire up, lay it over on the turntable. We have a auto locking device. We just push down, press the switch up here. It's going to automatically lock. We have dual sync bead breakers. So as you notice, they track together in and out. So we're going to bring the bead breaker up to the edge of the rim. We're going to lock it in place. We're going to bring the bead breaker down, start to rotate the tire, break the upper bead. Then we have a monitor we're going to look at here so I can see the lower bead breaker come up. Start to rotate, break the lower bead. Then we're going to press the green button. It's going to automatically locate the mount demount head to about right there. I'm going to press the auto button up here. Auto button is going to set up the automatic sequence. And we're going to rotate our TPMS sensor just to the left of the mount demount head so we don't damage it. We're going to bring the tire up and over the rim. And then we're going to rotate the tire. Retract the mount demount head, and we're going to bring the tire up and remove the lower bead. Okay, we have the tire removed. I'm going to lube the tire up a little bit. Flip this mounting device over. Wrap the tire around it, give it a little spin. Bring our mount demount head back out to the wheel. On a stiff sidewall tire, we have multiple ways to push the tire sidewall into the drop center. So we're going to use the disc and the bead pusher. And now all we need to do is inflate the tire. If we had difficulty seating the bead, we also have a built-in bead blaster, which you can seat the bead with the built-in bead blaster. And that concludes our demonstration of the T7800.